Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Hook. Today's video is all about the Moonbix Airdrop bot, which has been making waves in the crypto world. Everyone's excited, especially with its potential Binance listing just around the corner. Could this be a game changer? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get started, I've got an exciting giveaway for all my amazing viewers. You don't have to do anything fancy to participate. Just watch the full video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the comments below, let me know why you want $50. Once this video hits 300 likes, I'll randomly pick one of you to win $50. So, stay tuned till the end and drop that comment. Moonbix Airdrop period and snapshot details. According to leaked information, the Moonbix Airdrop will run from October 2024 to November 2024, but the key date to remember is November 4, 2024 at midnight UTC. This is when the snapshot will be taken. If you're holding Binance-supported assets by that time, you could be eligible to receive MBIX tokens for free. Here's how to make sure you're part of this airdrop. Hold supported assets. Make sure you're holding the required tokens on Binance before the snapshot. Check your eligibility. Keep an eye on Binance's official announcements or check your account's airdrop page. Wait for distribution. After the snapshot, Binance will distribute MBIX tokens directly to eligible users' wallets. This airdrop is a massive opportunity for Binance users, and with the snapshot set for November 4th, now is the perfect time to ensure you meet the requirements. When will Moonbix be listed on Binance? While nothing has been confirmed yet, the rumor mill suggests that Moonbix could debut on Binance around October 16, 2024. This is a big deal, as Binance is known for boosting tokens' visibility and demand the moment they list. Past tokens have surged in value within hours of listing, and Moonbix might follow suit. Why the Binance listing matters. Binance is not just any crypto exchange, it's the biggest and most influential. Getting listed there is a major milestone for any token, often resulting in significant price jumps. Take, for example, Dogs, which surged by 120% within hours of its Binance listing. Moonbix could very well experience similar hype. The Binance listing would open the door to a huge number of investors and could lead to a substantial increase in demand, which might push the token's price even higher. Moonbix price prediction. At the moment, Moonbix is priced at a modest $0.0005 in its presale. But analysts are predicting a potential post-listing leap to $0.003, which would be a 500% increase. And that's just the start. If it follows the same trajectory as other successful tokens, we could see Moonbix hit between 75 cents and $1 by the end of 2024. However, as with all crypto investments, volatility is part of the game. These predictions are exciting but should be taken with caution. What's driving Moonbix's growth? Several factors are fueling the excitement around Moonbix. Limited supply. Scarcity often drives value, especially when a token becomes available on a major exchange like Binance. Strategic partnerships. Moonbix has been building key alliances that could expand its adoption and strengthen its place in the crypto ecosystem. Community hype. A strong and active community is driving buzz, and the potential Binance listing is amplifying that excitement. The risks and rewards of Moonbix. While Moonbix's potential is enticing, the crypto market is known for its wild swings. Both before and after its Binance listing, the token could experience significant volatility. Keep an eye on official announcements, stay informed, and be prepared for market shifts. Moonbix is definitely one to watch as we head into late 2024. With a possible Binance listing on the horizon and plenty of community excitement, the token is poised for a major breakout. But remember, the crypto world is full of risks, so always do your research and stay informed. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Moonbix airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned to Crypto Hook for more updates on Moonbix and other exciting projects.